Hi YouTube, this is John. Sorry with me and I ain't done any videos in a while. Man, I've been really sick with a bronchitis or something. Can't kick it. Anyhow, we're having to fix this car motor for our Pontiac. Finally getting some little progress on it. Got the crank just about in. I was gonna do a plastic gauge on this last main bearing here and show you how we plastic gauge it. Hold on one second and I'll show you how I do it. This welder's been tough, y'all. Just can't kick it. We gotta get this car running. Can't get the store, and the truck's breaking down. So we gotta get this car together even though we're sick. Aaron was in the hospital yesterday. Emergency room. For those that don't know, but you take this piece of this stuff here. It's called plastic gauge. You break your piece of it off, and it's real small. The green stuff right there. I don't know if you can see it or not. You break your piece off and lay it on there. This is for some people that never seen this done before. What this does is it checks how much clearance you got, oil clearance you got for your bearings. Now, I'm going to set this on there and torque it. Let's see, where's the front? The light. Okay, that's the front. Set it down like that, real carefully. Can't have no oil on the crank when you're doing this. It's got to be dry. Let's see if we find the other bolt. Uh-oh, try to find the other bolt. We'll have to pause it, y'all. I'll find the bolt. We'll come back. Okay, we're back. Tighten this up. Watch the steering, man. I don't use that lithium grease on my bearings. I had an engine fail one time with that stuff. Well, 2 times. And I quit using it. I make my own engine lube out of mild mixture oil and gear oil. And I mix it together about 50-50. That grease makes your stuff stick to your bearings. If there's any kind of dust or trash or anything there, it doesn't come out of your bearings. With the oil and the mild mixture oil, it helps to get the stuff out of the bearings right away and slings it in the bottom of the pan and your filter can catch it. With the grease, it stays on the crank and then you can't never get rid of your particles when they're starting your motor. So I use that instead. Torque this down. One of these times. Okay, we got it torqued. I've built a lot of motors over the years. What I used to do for people to help them out for hogging stuff.
I don't think you're talking loud enough, hon.
That's the hill. I don't feel good. It's hard to talk. Check the clearance on. Okay. Got good, mashed out good there. And here's how you check it. Yeah, right there on that. There's that pretty good. That's how you plaster gauge it. You see it mashed it out good right there. So all I gotta do is get that off of there. Hold on 1 second. You don't want to leave that plastic gauge on there. Excuse me. Take a penny and just, you won't scratch it because it's copper. Just take it all out there. Get it off. I did all the plastic gauging on them. I just did this last one so y'all could see it. Sometimes it gets a little stubborn. Okay. Now, do this other side. Being stubborn there. Okay. Just take this pan carefully. I don't have good light here. So I just take my nail and scrape it over. Pretty much good enough. Then I take my hand glue I make. Put it on there. You don't want to get it down in them holes there. Not good. I'm going to put this on here, torque it down. See that arrow? It's got to face towards the front. And before you take the engine apart, you mark your caps. I take a punch and punch it 1 and then 2 and 2, punch it 3 or 4 all the way to the back. Okay, now I'll put the bolts back on there. Sorry it's dark, y'all. I don't have good light right now. There'll be another video. I'll show when we get someone won't put a piston in. I ain't be able to film all of them. I'll just show you a little bit. I got an impact gun, but I don't like using it on this stuff. I can tell more about when I tighten it. Alright, okay, I'll talk that later. And we'll stick the cam in there, and I use my lube that I make. That's a little tricky, this one here.